everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the highly anticipated 2024 Lotus Emira. Is this the ultimate supercar experience? Let's find out. The Emira marks a new era for Lotus, blending the iconic heritage of the brand with cutting-edge technology and performance. It's more than just a car, it's a statement of intent, a defiant roar in the face of the mass-produced, homogenized automotive landscape. Exterior. The Emira boasts a stunning, aerodynamic silhouette that's both aggressive and elegant. The flowing lines, sculpted curves, and striking air intakes are reminiscent of classic Lotus models, but with a modern twist. The car sits low on its wheels, giving it a powerful, grounded stance. Interior. Step inside the Emira, and you're greeted by a luxurious and driver-focused environment. The materials are top-notch, with leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents throughout. The cockpit is designed for pure driving pleasure, with a low seating position, a perfectly sized steering wheel, and easy-to-reach controls. The Emira comes equipped with two powerful engine options, a 3.5 liters supercharged V6 sourced from Toyota and a 2.0 liters turbocharged 4-cylinder from AMG. Both engines offer exhilarating performance, with the V6 producing 400 horsepower and the 4-cylinder kicking out 360 horsepower. But the Emira isn't just about brute force, it's also incredibly agile and nimble. The mid-engine layout and lightweight construction contribute to its impressive handling, making it an absolute joy to drive on winding roads. The Emira is packed with features that enhance the driving experience. These include a digital instrument cluster, a head-up display, a premium sound system, and a variety of driver assistance features. Lotus has also put a strong focus on connectivity, with the Emira offering Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Having spent some time behind the wheel of the Emira, I can honestly say it's one of the most exhilarating driving experiences I've ever had. The car is incredibly responsive, agile, and powerful. It's a true driver's car, designed for those who appreciate the finer points of automotive engineering. The 2024 Lotus Emira is a phenomenal car that deserves all the praise it's received. It's a perfect blend of heritage, performance, and luxury, making it a worthy successor to the legendary Lotus nameplate. If you're looking for the ultimate supercar experience, the Emira is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car content. And if you have any thoughts on the Emira, feel free to leave a comment below.